Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther, and today we're going to take a look at this really cool spectrum animation in After Effects. Step number one, let's select the circle, press and hold Shift, create a circle. I'm going to align it to the center. I'm going to go and add wiggle paths. And we're going to go here to the wiggle paths 1, and we're going to adjust the size. I'm going to increase it, and I'm going to change the points to smooth. And you also can increase or decrease the detail. I got to go with 9. And we got the wiggle seconds. I'm going to decrease it to 1. And if you hit play, it starts animating. Now we're going to go to the transform. We got the scale here. Let's go back to the beginning of the animation. And I'm going to activate the stopwatch. I'm going to decrease this to 0. I'm going to go to somewhere around 7 seconds, and I'm going to increase it all the way until it goes out of the artboard. Now we're going to add some colors. We're going to go here to the fill, and here we have the colors. I'm going to bring this back all the way to the first second, and I'm going to activate the stopwatch. I'm going to choose a color. I'm going to go with the green, click OK, and I'm going to go all the way to the 7 seconds, and I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to change it to some blue. There you go, click OK. I'm going to go to the effects and presets, type in drop shadow. I'm going to drag and drop the drop shadow on the shape layer. Here we got the options. I'm going to bring this back a little bit more. I'm going to change the color to some around a dark blue. Click OK. I'm going to decrease the distance to 0, opacity somewhere around 25, and I'm going to increase the softness. I'm going to go with 60 something. Great. I'm going to collapse the layer, select the shape layer, press Ctrl D a lot of times until it creates a lot of copies. And I'm going to bring it to the first second, and I'm going to go with the second layer and delay it to the first second, second with the third, and so on and so forth. And this is how I make the spectrum animation in After Effects. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.